pass the ball! Shoot it! Yeah!
Good out there, guys. We look great.
Yo, man, I don't know. This team's looking pretty good.
Good afternoon, fellas. Y'all ready for our game today?
Yes, coach.
All right. Well, the key to our game is to follow the MLA format. Y'all understand that? Mm-hmm. All right. To do the MLA format, what you're going to need to do is put your name, hit enter, followed by the teacher's name, hitting enter again, the class name, hitting enter, and finally the date, and hit enter. All right. So that's how we're going to start the game. After that, we're going to need to make sure we have a 12-point font on defense and offense. All right, we're going to double space. We will double team too, Nikki. All right, we got to pass the ball. We got to put the title in the paper in the center, but we cannot bold it because it is not that important and we don't need it there. All right. When it comes to the works cited, we're going to write works cited at the top of the page, all right? We're not going to bold it.
Where?
In the center.
In the center?
Yeah, in the center. We're going to put it in the center. Then we're going to put our source. We're going to hit enter. We're going to tab that source, and we're going to put the rest.
And double team.
Yeah, we're going to double team, and we're going to win this game. We are the underdogs here, and we can do it. All right? Let's bring it in. MLA on 3. 1, 2, 3, MLA. Let's go, pass the ball. Make sure you keep your 1-inch margins all around the paper. Shoot it. Yeah, timeout. Timeout. Come on, team. Come on. All right. We're closing in. We're closing in on the victory, team. What we need to do, we need to keep the 1-inch margins all around the paper.
Which
All
sides?
right?
Which sides?
You gotta do the top, the left, the right, and the bottom. All right? After the 1-inch margins, once we get the ball back, we're gonna put our header in the top right corner, all right? And it's gotta stay there, all right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna keep the page number with what page you're on. So if you're on page 1, we're gonna do header 1, page 2, header 2, all right? It's gonna be your last name and the number, all right? And finally, once we get the ball back and we score, we're gonna go by definitive purpose, all right?
Huh? Yo, you know what that is, right? Yo, it's like when like the guy kind of goes over here.
Yeah. So what we're gonna need to do, say we're writing about science, we're gonna need to use science words in the scientific method, all right? So when we're playing basketball, we're gonna use basketball terminology, all right? All right, makes sense, all right?
Like Spanish.
All right, whatever you say.
All right, yeah.
Hands in, team. MLA on 3. 1, 2, 3, MLA. All right, timeout.
Yo, Captain, what did Coach mean by definitive purpose?
Coach doesn't know what he's talking about. He meant writing in the disciplines. We gotta understand what we're writing about. Use evidence to support yourself. Use and question the literature. Alright? Got that? You got that. We're gonna research our sources. We're doing humanities. We're gonna ask the questions. Analyze the evidence. Alright? Nick, what are we gonna do?
Nice headband.
If we're doing social sciences, we're gonna formulate a hypothesis. And if we're doing natural or applied sciences, we use the scientific method. Are we ready to go?
I'm ready.
Yeah, we're ready to go!
Man.
We got 5 seconds, man. 4. Come on. We got 3. Shoot it for the win. Shoot it.